Hello YouTube, this is a quick video here show you guys what a 1987 brake fluid looks like. It's disgusting. Look at how much air this brake line have already inside. This is for my Toyota Supra, which I put a brand new disc and brake pads. Again, this is a quick video doing the brake fluid flush, doing it the primitive way, which is just by one wheel. Started on the back wheel of the car, the farders, then in the other side, and then I'm down here, and I only have is the driver's side left. But my God, this have a lot of air. You guys can see, and look at how disgusting and old 1987 brake fluid, probably. I don't know how the car is still braking. Unbelievable. You guys can see right there. Now I want to suction back. Looks like I want to suction back, but there's a lot of air. I think that's the clear fluid. It's coming back. I had to do refill and do the clear again. I don't see fluid. Yeah, I see fluid on the line, but I gotta redo it. Okay, quick 1987 Toyota Supra brake fluid replacement. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. I need to hit that 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.